Bro, have you heard about the virus?
Yeah, I have.
Dude, what you just did? Sorry. There is more room for you to sneeze. Now what should I do?
What?
I